everyone, VJ's Freddy back with some unboxings to start off the week. First one, I got one here that's from Nikolai Arrow. That's how I pronounce his name. From Kickstarter. I know what it is. 2 decks. Ooh, some extras. In here, first of all, an ad card. IsolatedThunderstorm.com. That's the website, I guess. Finally, they have a website. So you can get these decks on that website, IsolatedThunderstorm.com. And then we got a signed card for this decks, you could say. And, interesting. For some reason, I guess that's just the way it is. I thought I didn't cut. That's just the cellophane. There's 2 decks in here. The Hunters of York Master and Mistress decks. This looks very nice. Next, I got one that's from Gamblers, playingcards.net, and it is from Kickstarter as well, as expected. And I have plenty coming this week apparently, so stay tuned. And this is the Bitcoin decks. I only got the black one and the green one. Didn't get the white one because it's just way too expensive. Couldn't justify it. They look nice though. Then I've got this one, which is from Recip.com. It's from eBay, and it is a Crayola deck, colorable playing cards. It's same quality as the other ones that I got. But it is, I'll remove this. I don't need that anymore. Anyways, it is, they have different images on them, almost like a coloring book, and you can color them in. Hopefully they haven't been colored in though, that would suck. And this is also from Recip. I just picked this up. Get rid of the stuffing. And packing slip. A couple of decks in here. I was expecting there would be more, but maybe I was wrong. First, we got one that I thought I canceled. I hope they didn't charge you, or that they refunded me anyway. That would be funny. It is, wow, the anyone reprint of the mirror deck from Dan and Dave. That's well, that's the front of the tuck case, I guess. That's the back. It's kind of lame. Somebody was pointing out. And there is one more. Let's see what this is. Gotta be eBay. And it is. Nothing too exciting. It is a sealed Pepsi deck from Hoyle. To be fairly standard. Anyways, that's it for today. I expect more coming this week, so stay tuned. Hello everyone, VJ's Freddy back with a couple of unboxings. First one is from eBay, all the way from Lithuania. Not the greatest packaging, I would say. There's no bubble wrap or anything. And it's just plastic wrap cellophane, if you will. But it is what it is. And these are, just bear with me, a couple of Bicycle Prestige plastic decks. Actually, I haven't lost tough cases. I'm surprised to see that. Red and blue. Obviously, there's quite a few Prestige decks out there. These are just riderbacks. And I got one here that's from House of Playing Cards and My NOC. No idea what the hell this is supposed to be. I guess it's just like a sticker. And then I guess you take out the middle and you put your face in there. I don't know. It's kind of weird. And there is one deck in here. It is the Sin Lim NLC deck. There's supposed to be more NLC decks coming. A lot this year, which is silly. But here is the Sid Lim Knock. That is it for today. More than likely coming tomorrow. We'll see you next time. Hello everyone, video day back here with some more unboxings as kind of a marathon of unboxings continues. First of all, I have one here from Murphy's Magic. And there's 2 decks. Actually 3 decks. First, we have a Sid Lim Knock, which I actually didn't think was going to be coming because, well, I hadn't put it on the order. It was back ordered and I just kind of left it, but they put it in here. It is what it is. If anyone wants to buy it, it's available. Then you get the new Blades Blood Edition. And one more. And it is the Bicycle Pure Mark deck from TCC. Playing cards. A mandolin back. Very cool. Next, I got one from Bicycle Cards. And inside there is 2 each of the new Tactical Field decks in brown and green. Well, kind of black, I guess, but it's supposed to be green. I guess the tuck case is green. Then I got one from playingcards.net on eBay. So I got a few more eBay decks to come. And this is, there's an extra card in here. An ad card for this deck, World Mischief Transformation cards. And there it is, Patrick Valenda's World Mischief playing cards. It is printed by, as it says, US Game Systems, so I'm not expecting huge things out of quality, but it's completely custom, nice back design. There's also a red one, which is pretty limited, 777. Oh, I thought I'd gotten these before, but I don't know. I didn't see them on my playlist or anything like that. And I got one more, which I believe is from Gamblers from Kickstarter. I would assume it's a big one. Wow, it is from Kickstarter. It's a lot more than I was expecting. It's a freaking brick. I ordered 3 decks, 1 of each. So this is the Polar playing cards, Midnight cards. It's a very nice brick box, really cool. I don't have any custom brick boxes, so it's nice. And inside we've got a bunch of the Polar playing cards. I did not order a brick. Wow, this is just, it's a brick. I only wanted 3. It's a bit excessive. He did say something about sending me some prototypes, but I didn't see those yet. So, yeah, this is a bit unnecessary. Anyways, special thanks to Randy Butterfield for sending this my way. I appreciate it. I really don't need a brick. I don't get a brick of anything, quite frankly, but cool box and cool decks. I can get them in there now without damaging the box. There we go. We'll see you next time with more. Hello everyone. Back with some unboxings. And first of all, I got one that is from Bomb Magic. And I don't remember ordering 1 deck, so I'm not sure what this other one is. Lots of advertisements. Yeah, go save some money on me. Oh, that's right, I did order 2. I've forgotten. first one is the Miss Cindy deck. This one's a foil edition. And pretty limited, only 190. That one's not really due, but I decided to, might as well place it in order, might as well just forget it. And the one I ordered was this, the Flow playing cards. They didn't say the name on it, but it's actually very lab inspired. Made for some kind of magical cardistry convention. And then I got this. This is from Randy Butterfield. And there are some prototypes. I actually just mentioned these yesterday. And look, there they are. Let's see what we got. 2 decks. No tuck cases. Pretty nice back design. And, you know, the faces look alright as well. I'll have to see. I believe, if I recall correctly, yeah, it's a Wild West theme. That's what these decks are. It's pretty nice, simple band designs. Get a little star in there on this one. Look forward to checking them out, and we'll review them soon. I even say what they're called. So that's that. I want to thank you very much, Randy, for sending those my way. I appreciate it. We'll review them soon, like I said. And should be coming to Kickstarter soon enough, so keep an eye out for that. As that, see you next time with more. Hello everyone, VJ back again with another unboxing. This one is from eBay, and let's see what we got. Oop, 2 decks. I don't remember the seller's name, but may or may not have more of these. They are the Fortune Casino decks. It is Fortune Casino. I don't know where that casino is. I pray for your good fortune. But I heard printed by USBC. That's your back design. It's alright. It's kind of a casino deck. Nice blue color, nice white color. I like it. Videos coming in the near future, hopefully. And we'll see you next time with more next week.